Hello everyone. Recently, the government had decided that the flame of Amar Jawan Jyoti shall be merged with the flame of National War Memorial. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about the significance of these two, some of the history and the views of government and the opposition. So, let's start with this very important point that why was Amar Jawan Jyoti built in the first place? When India emerged victorious in the 1971 Indo-Pak War, it was decided by the then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi that we must make an iconic symbol of tribute for the soldiers who are martyred for us in this war. So, Amar Jawan Jyoti was established in 1972 at Rajpath, India Gate. Talking about the structure of Amar Jawan Jyoti, it consists of this black marble plinth, this, and above which is the self-loading inverted rifle, and on top of which is a war helmet of the unknown soldier. Now, around this are the four urns, where the eternal flame keeps burning. Now you might be wondering that what makes this flame burn. So from 1972 to 2006, it kept burning with the help of LPG, and since 2006 it is burning with the help of piped natural gas. And Amar Jawan Jyoti is placed at India Gate. So India Gate was built in 1931 and it was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Its earlier name was All India War Memorial, and it was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who were martyred in several wars such as the Third Anglo-Afghan War and other conflicts, and their names were also mentioned in this gate. So let's now talk about this newly built National War Memorial. It was built in February 2019 and it is situated 400 meters away from India Gate. It is built in the memory of all the soldiers who are martyred since independence in several armed conflicts, operations, and several wars like Indo-Pak War, Indo-China War, etc. Now let us understand the structure of National War Memorial. National War Memorial consists of the circles or the chakra. That is, this outermost circle, this one, is the Raksha Chakra. It symbolizes how our soldiers protect the territorial integrity of our nation. Now the circle number 2 and circle number 3 are the Tyag Chakra, which is based on Chakravyu, and it contains the walls where the names of the soldiers are mentioned, of each of the soldiers are mentioned. Now this consists of, this circle is the Veer Chakra. It is basically the gallery which showcases the murals depicting heroic actions done by our soldiers. And this innermost circle is the Amar Chakra. Now this contains this obelisk or the pillar, and it contains this flame or the eternal flame, and this is where the government had decided that the flame of Amar Jawan Jyoti shall be merged with this flame. Talking about the government, and let us see the government's view in this. The government basically says that there is now no need for the two flames, and since the Amar Jawan Jyoti was built only for the martyrs of 1971 war, that is why we must merge it with the National War Memorial, which is built for each and every soldier. And while the opposition says, see first while analyzing these tweets, we can see that opposition is saying that so what if there were two flames? And according to them, this decision is kind of insulting the sacrifices done by our soldiers. So I am done on my part. What do you think and what is your view in this? Do comment down below, and do like, share and subscribe to Think Curious.